Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to make a fully responsive website in Wix Studio, step by step, the full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Wix Studio or you've been designing for a while, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a professional, mobile-friendly, and stunning website that looks perfect on every device. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about what responsive really means. A responsive website automatically adjusts its layout and elements to fit any screen size, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. In today's fast-paced digital world, this isn't optional anymore. It's essential for a great user experience and better SEO performance. All right, access Wix Studio. Go to the official Wix Studio website. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click it and choose asterisk. Continue with Google asterisk. This is the easiest and most secure way to log in. Dashboard navigation. Double. Asterisk asterisk. Once you're in, you'll land on the Wix Studio dashboard. This is your central hub where all your projects live. From here, locate the Want Sites section. This is where you can see all your existing websites and create new ones. Start a new project. Click the Create New Site button in button. This is where the real fun begins. Wix Studio will now guide you to the next step. Template selection. Choose a responsive template. You'll see multiple options like Start from Scratch or Start from a Template. I recommend choosing Start from a Template. It saves time, gives you design inspiration, and ensures you have a strong foundation to build on. Now, here's a crucial tip. Make sure you pick a responsive template. In Wix Studio, templates marked as responsive automatically adapt to different screen sizes, so your site looks amazing whether visitors are using a phone, tablet, or desktop. Preview and edit your template. Scroll through the available templates and click Edit View. On any that catch your eye, take a few seconds to explore how it looks on various devices. You'll notice how responsive templates smoothly adjust layouts across screen types. Once you're happy with your choice, click asterisk Edit Template, asterisk to open the Wix Studio Editor. Now, inside the Wix Studio Editor, you can customize everything: text, images, layout, animations, and more. The interface is designed for professionals, but still super intuitive. You can drag, drop, and adjust sections while using the built-in responsive controls to tweak how your site behaves on mobile, tablet, and desktop views. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a responsive website in Wix Studio, step by step, for 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Wix Studio and web design guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.